Free training. How to make money on YouTube without recording videos. Attention aspiring YouTubers and digital entrepreneurs. Ever thought about conquering the YouTube arena without being in front of the camera? And without any experience, technical skill, or a huge upfront investment? Exclusive free training with Matt Parr reveals secrets you won't find anywhere else. The new way of going about YouTube that doesn't require you to record videos. How to choose a niche and generate tons of videos quickly. How to take full advantage of the YouTube algorithm and grow super quickly. What you'll be learning. In this live free training you'll be discovering how he runs 9 different YouTube channels and make $30,000 a month from them. Here's a bit about Matt. Matt Parr is 19 years old, runs 3 companies, and 9 YouTube channels. He's gotten over 300 million views across all his different channels, and has received the gold play button for reaching 1 million subscribers on his top channel, and multiple silver play buttons for hitting 100,000 subscribers on multiple other channels. Ready to transform your YouTube journey? Click the link below this video and secure your spot now.